You won't believe what this symbol means. This is a 5-pointed pentagram. Each point represents one of the 5 elements. On the top, we have the spiritual element, and below the spiritual element are the earthly elements, symbolizing spirit over matter. Each one of us has internal spiritual forces that create reality. Thoughts, emotions, these are internal qualities of consciousness. In order to create anything in reality, we think, we feel, then we act. The spirit element represents our feelings, which is both a physical and non-physical substance. This is the spiritual force that drives physical actions, and our spirit, our emotions, tell us what is right and wrong at all times. If what we think is wrong, we feel in our hearts whether we should act upon it or not. Therefore, this pentagram upright with spirit on the top represents controlling our spiritual forces and allowing them to have mastery over the earthly external world, and only taking action on what the spirit is telling us and feeling is right. However, when we see the satanic pentagram, the inverted pentagram, this is now the complete opposite. We're placing earth elements on top of the spiritual elements, allowing the external earthly forces to control our internal forces, which turns someone into a beast, an animal. They operate in beast consciousness, reactive, never truly commanding and living reality. They simply just react. This also represents allowing the physical world only to care within one's consciousness and not caring what the spirit is telling you is right, taking action without the consideration of emotion. And that's how you become a beast. That is Satanism.